Hi everybody, welcome to our new video. Today I will compare two LCD TV in this video. So let's go, now enjoy this video. Firstly, we start design. Dimension 48.3 into 30.2 into 10 inch and 3 into 48.5 into 28.2 inch. Weight 45.49 kg and 40.6 kg. Wall mounting 200 into 200 mm and 400 into 300 mm. Input power 120 volt AC 60 Hz. Operating temperature 40 degrees Celsius and 35 degrees Celsius. Tuners attached 1.0 USA, DVB T2 S2 C Europe and attached 3.0 USA and Europe. Special features: Game Bar 4.0, Object Tracking Sound Light and Mini-LED up to 3000 nits, IMAX Enhanced, Game Mode Pro. Part 2 Display. Display technology LCD. Panel type Qualcomm dot LCD and Mini-LED flood. Display size 55, 65, 75, 85 inch USA and Europe. Display resolution 4K. Refresh rate 120 Hz and 144 Hz. Pixel density 59 ppi and 52 ppi. Display colors 1070 million. Bit depth 10 bit. Brightness 1000 nits and 3000 nits. Variable refresh rate no and FreeSync G-Sync. HDR formats HDR10, HDR10 Plus Adaptive Hybrid Long Gamma Dolby Vision and HDR10, HDR10 Plus Hybrid Long Gamma Dolby Vision IQ. Part 3 Connectivity. Inputs 4 into HDMI 2.1, 1 into Cross-L F-Type and 2 into HDMI 2.1, 1 into Cross-L F-Type 3.5 mm analog audio. Outputs 1 into Toslink optical digital audio. Wi-Fi 5 802.11 AC and Wi-Fi 6E 802.11 AX. Bluetooth 5.2. USB ports 2. 3.5 mm audio jack. Yes. Part 4 Features. TV platform Tizen and Google TV. OS updates no and yes. AirPlay yes. HomeKit no and yes. Voice assistants Bixby, Google Assistant Alexa and Google Assistant. Mobile app compatible yes, Android and iOS and no. Supported language English, France and Spanish. Sleep timer yes. Child lock yes. Search browser yes. Part 5 Audio. Speakers 20 watt 2.0 and yes. HDMI ARC and EARC yes. Dolby audio yes. Detach audio no and yes. Subwoofer yes. STO speakers no and yes. Thanks for watching. For more updates, subscribe to my channel.